If you love cycling but wish to add an extra miles per hour to your pedal strokes, then join us on this journey as we unveil the 5 best e-bike conversion kits for 2023, guaranteed to revolutionize your biking experience. For more info, refer to the description below later on. These kits are in no exact order, so make sure to stick around till the end to see them all. First up, we have the Bafang Front e-bike conversion kit. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to convert your pedal bike into a motorized powerhouse, this one's for you. Not only does it come with easy installation and 2 riding modes, but it also boasts a stable drive system that's perfect for touring, commuting, and even mountain biking. With a speed of up to 25 miles per hour and a reliable brake lever system, this kit will take your cycling experience to new heights. Next on our list is the Bafang BBS2 Mid-Drive Kit, a universal powerhouse that fits a wide range of bikes. With its powerful and reliable 500, 750, 1000-watt motor, you can conquer hills and reach speeds over 25 miles per hour with ease. What's even better is that you can choose from 3 riding modes, giving you the flexibility to enjoy an e-bike pedal-assisted, pedaling bicycle, or pure power mode. Plus, the installation is a breeze with the included video and instruction manual. Say goodbye to traffic jams and hello to an eco-friendly and economical ride. For an up-to-date prices and specs on these conversion kits, we prepared a list down in the description for you to check out. Looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on power? Look no further than the AW front and rear wheel e-bike conversion kit. With its 48-volt, 1000-watt brushless motor and dual-mode controller, you'll be cruising at a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour without breaking the bank. And with the pedal assist system, you'll enjoy a comfortable ride without straining your body on those long journeys. Durability, convenience, and affordability all rolled into one fantastic package. The E-bikeling waterproof e-bike conversion kit is ready to roll with its aluminum double-walled rim and hub motor. With all the necessary components included, you can effortlessly transform your bike into an electric beast. The LCD display keeps you informed of essential riding data, and the pedal assist sensor ensures you can pedal anytime, anywhere, without compromising on comfort. Get ready to conquer any terrain with this amazing kit. For our final and most powerful contender, the NB-powered 2000-watt electric bike kit. This beast packs a punch with its 72-volt 2000-watt rear hub motor, capable of delivering exhilarating speeds. With its multi-function LCD display and 7 speed gears, you're in complete control. It's a high-powered dream come true for thrill seekers and speed demons alike. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find the best deals out there. The prices are updated frequently, so you're always getting the best bang for your buck. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more electrifying content. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, so share with us which kit is the perfect match for your cycling adventures. Keep pedaling strong, and until next time, ride safe and ride electric.